आज शनिवार।
Today is Saturday.
आगामीकाल रविवार।
Tomorrow is Sunday.
गतकाल शुक्रवार छिलो।
Yesterday was Friday.
आगामी परशु सोमवार।
The day after tomorrow is Monday.
गत परशु बृहस्पतिवार छिलो।
The day before yesterday was Thursday.
आज 28 तारीख।
Today is the 28th.
आगामीकाल 29 तारीख।
Tomorrow is the 29th.
गतकाल 27 तारीख छिलो।
Yesterday was the 27th.
आज के की बार?
What day is today?
आज के कत तारीख?
What date is today?
गतकाल की बार छिलो?
What day was yesterday?
गतकाल की तारीख छिलो?
What date was yesterday?
तुम्हार जन्म तारीख की?
What is your date of birth?
तार जन्म तारीख की?
What is his date of birth?